Tab.
Avi, you just burped. What do you say?
I burped. Woohoo!
No, Avi, you say excuse me because that's having good manners.
What are good manners?
Well, good manners are things that we say or do to let others know that we care about how they feel. Like saying, excuse me, after you burp.
So, like this? Excuse me.
Well, yes, but burping on purpose isn't good manners. But at least you said excuse me after.
I think I understand. Thanks, Miss Tab.
Saying goodbye is also having good manners. Goodbye, Avi.
Goodbye, Miss Tab. Shake my pit, shake my... Oh, excuse me. That one was an accident.
Come on in, it's Tab